Did you know that holy basil, also known as Tulsi, holds a secret power that has been revered for centuries in Indian culture? Imagine a leaf that not only heals the body, but also nourishes the soul, weaving a tapestry of wellness and spirituality in every sip of its essence. According to a 2017 systematic review of 24 clinical studies, holy basil positively affects several metabolic processes, including lowering blood sugar levels and improving LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. Join me on a journey through the mystical world of Tulsi, where ancient wisdom meets modern miracles, and discover the transformative magic hidden within each delicate leaf. Holy basil is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its remarkable healing properties. This sacred plant is a culinary delight and a powerhouse of medicinal benefits. Holy basil is a natural remedy for enhancing overall health, reducing stress and anxiety, boosting immunity, and fighting infections. Imagine sipping a warm or cold cup of holy basil tea, and feeling your stress melt away, or using its essential oil to soothe your skin and promote healing. The possibilities are endless with this miraculous herb. It contains a compound called eugenol, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have indicated that eugenol can help reduce inflammation and pain, making holy basil a beneficial addition to the diet for those suffering from inflammatory conditions. In Christian tradition, basil is considered the plant that grew to the point of the Holy Cross. Its smell led priests to discover the Holy Cross, and since then, the Church has used basil for sanctification. The word basil derives from the Greek word basileus, which means king, and many culinary authors consider this plant the king of herbs. The ancient Greeks and Egyptians believed that basil could open heaven's gates for a person passing on. In Europe, basil was placed in a dead person's hand by their family to ensure a safe journey to the other world. In India, basil is placed in the deceased's mouth to ensure they reach God. Holy basil, native to India, spread to Europe and the West during the 16th century. This plant is frequently used in Mediterranean and Indo-Chinese cuisine, and its peppery taste combines excellently with tomato. In temperate countries, it grows in gardens and sunny places with well-drained neutral soil. It also grows in low bushes, plant pots, and sunny windowsills. The best months to gather basil flowers are July and August, and the best time to gather basil leaves is shortly before the summer season begins. In this video, we'll explore holy basil's myriad benefits and medicinal uses, and you'll discover how this ancient herb can help manage diabetes, protect your heart, and improve your respiratory health. I'll also share practical tips on incorporating holy basil into your daily routine, whether through teas, supplements, or essential oils. So, join me on this journey to unlock the secrets of holy basil and embrace a healthier, more balanced life. Remember to like, comment on, and subscribe to your Healthy Zone for more natural health tips, remedies, and healthy eating ideas. Holy basil's benefits and medicinal uses are endless. Some of its excellent benefits for health and longevity include antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidant, immune modulating, tonic, antidepressant, carminative, diuretic, anti-inflammatory, and metabolic enhancing properties. Treatment for lung and heart problems, digestive disorders, mental fog, colds, bronchitis, headaches, stress, anxiety, nervous system ailments, asthma, allergies, and seasonal hay fever symptoms. Excellent for treating kidney disorders, kidney stones, loss of appetite, blood circulation, intestinal gas, poisoning, stomach spasms, diabetes, stomach disorders, persistent vomiting, and heart-related diseases. Protection for the brain from several degenerative diseases, including insomnia, and increased mental clarity. Treatment for earaches, viral hepatitis, malaria, tuberculosis, skin disorders, ringworm, wounds, tonsillitis, and pharyngitis. Reduction of itching caused by insect bites and acceleration of wound healing when fresh basil leaves are rubbed on the skin. Use of fresh basil root and the juice of its leaves, as a pulp compress for treating insect bites, snake and scorpion bites, and leech bites. Lowering blood sugar levels and benefiting diabetes management, with compounds like eugenol. Supporting heart health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, with its anti-inflammatory properties. Alleviation of respiratory conditions by acting as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the lungs. However, daily usage of basil tea can cause vertigo, lethargy, and dizziness. Also, avoid excessive intake of basil seeds, as they can harm the body and brain. Basil should be avoided by people taking drugs for low blood sugar or blood thinning, those expecting surgery within the next 2 weeks, pregnant women, nursing mothers, or those trying to conceive, except when used in small amounts in food. Infusion: pour boiling water into a cup with 1 teaspoon of basil leaves. Let the mixture sit for 3 to 5 minutes, strain, and drink up to 3 cups daily. Decoction: add a handful of fresh basil leaves to half a liter of water. Cover the mixture and boil for 6 to 8 minutes. Let cool, and drink 1 to 2 times per day. Pulp compress: mash fresh basil leaves, flowers and roots on a wooden board or mortar, then apply the pulp to the affected skin area several times daily. Simple use: chop 2 to 3 fresh leaves and add them to a salad, soup, sauces, sandwiches, or any other dish. Number 1. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops of basil essential oil to a diffuser to help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. The refreshing scent can uplift your mood and create a calming environment. Number 2. Topical application. Dilute basil essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to your skin. This can help relieve muscle tension and soothe insect bites. Always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Number 3. Massage. Incorporate basil essential oil into your massage routine. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate muscle pain and tension. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and gently massage the affected areas. Number 4. Bath. Add a few drops of basil essential oil to your bath water for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. The steam will help you inhale the beneficial properties, while the oil can soothe your skin. Number 5. Inhalation. For respiratory benefits, add a few drops of basil essential oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. This can help clear nasal passages and improve breathing. Remember, you can start picking basil leaves after the first month of their life. Store them in a dry, well-ventilated area until they dry out, then gather and seal the leaves in a bag or jar in your kitchen. You can also cut small branches of basil, enclose them tightly in a bag or jar, and freeze them. Another way to freeze basil is to chop its leaves in a blender, add a little water, and then put the mixture into ice cube trays. Whenever you want to use basil in your cooking, remove an ice cube and add it to the soup, mashed potatoes, or whatever dish you wish. The benefits of basil are endless. We can use it in cooking and as an alternative treatment for many health issues and ailments, because it helps fight and eliminate viruses, pathogens, and bacteria, and treats lung and heart problems, digestive disorders, mental fog, colds, and many other health problems. Did you know that holy basil has extraordinary benefits for our bodies and overall health? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. Also, if you want to discover the powerful benefits of oregano, and the best tips on making oregano tea, to reap its full benefits, watch this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day and a fantastic new week.